Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. And this video, you guys, is going to be kind of like a combination of a slight story time and a prep with me video. I'm not going to go into too much detail on what I'm doing. If you have any questions on what I'm doing or what the process is like, just leave them down below and I'll try to make a video on it. But yeah, so this booking was for a baby oh no, it was a gender reveal actually, and the booking was actually on a Saturday. Keep in mind, I'm prepping this whole week, making sure I'm painting the backdrops. I had a hot air balloon as well, so I was blowing up the mini balloons and the bigger balloons to form the hot air balloon as well. Those were done in advance. So Saturday rolls around. Well, actually, let's rewind just a little bit because I was going over colors. The client had sent me an inspo pic of some work that I had done before, and I was just going to tweak it a little bit to make it into the look that I was going for. So the colors that I used were white inside of satin white, or maybe satin pearl. I used Reflex gold, and then the nude color, I don't know why, but for some reason I was stuffing the balloons and I stuffed coffee inside of white sand. What it should have been was coffee inside of latte. So when I started prepping the balloons, I noticed like this color seems a little bit off, and then I realized like, oh my god, I done stuffed all these balloons and I have the wrong color. And then I went upstairs to look into my stock, and did I have latte in stock? No, I didn't. So that day, I think this was probably 2 days before the event. Probably, maybe, yeah, it was probably 2 days before. I had to rush and figure out where I was going to get some latte from. Asked a couple of my balloon colleagues that are in the neighborhood. Nobody had it, so I had to race all the way to Amsterdam, which is like a 30 plus minute drive, and back, unstuff all the balloons, restuff all of the balloons, and then go on with the prep. So that was thing number one that I ran into that made me feel like, oh my gosh, this is going to be a booking. Fast forward, this hot air balloon was that I'm doing right now. Again, if you have any questions about it, definitely leave it in the comment section. I did this on Friday. I think Friday night I did it. And I remember thinking to myself, well, the booking is on Sunday, so I could do it tomorrow as well. The only thing I had to do on Saturday was go to a theater performance that my little nephews were having. I'm so happy that I did it on Friday because Saturday rolls around. I'm in the theater watching my little nephew perform. And during the break, I look at my phone and I see the client is calling my phone and texting me. Mind you, I had put it on Do Not Disturb because I'm in the theater. She's asking me where I'm at, am I still coming? And I'm like, oh my gosh. I was supposed to be there at 10:30, and this was probably like 11 o'clock when I saw these messages. Thank God the party started at 2. So I'm racing home. And I did not have any 5 inches blown up. I did not have my big clusters blown up, but I was so happy that I had my hot air balloon done. Because imagine if I still had to individually, as you see me doing here, put all of the balloons on the big balloon with hot glue and then go in with the little 5 inches and make sure every little gap is filled. I would not have made it. And it was so confusing to me because I make worksheets for every booking that I have just in my notes app. I write down the client's name, their number, the venue, what time I need to set up, what the booking is, the setup is going to look like, my to-do list, what I need to do to prep for the booking, everything that I need to bring to the booking, like in detail, you guys. So I have no clue how I ended up getting the date wrong. I was thinking it was on Sunday, and it wasn't. It was Saturday whilst I was sitting in the theater watching my nephews perform. So yeah, that is just a quick reminder, you guys, that we are all human. We all make mistakes. And I was lucky in this case that I did my prep work, which is why prep work is so important. And I always like making these videos because it shows you how much work actually goes into a booking, and it's not just balloons, you know. But yeah, it was a trip. Even my family was looking at me like, this is so not you, because it's not. Like, I'm very meticulous and very careful when it comes to stuff like this regarding my business. I just don't play. I'm never late. I don't play like that at all. So yeah, that was a quick story time slash prep with me video. I don't have any footage of anything else that I did, because this is the last thing that I actually prepped before basically all hell broke loose. I mean, that's a little dramatic, but you get what I'm saying. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.